Welcome back to the channel. My name is always Frank, and today we are unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Q600C Soundbar. Before we begin, if you're on the market for IT hardware and consumer electronics, soundbars, monitors, laptops, smartphones, and all PC components, esupply.co.uk has the best deals out there, with price match promise, free shipping and returns, and rated excellent. Let's get cracking. This Samsung Q600C soundbar is a 3.1.2 channel Dolby Atmos DTS capable soundbar subwoofer combo. It's a 360 watt power unit and comes with certain features like high resolution audio support, Bluetooth, Q Symphony, tap sound, and optional rear speakers. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing video games, investing in good quality speakers will enhance your audio experience. It's about capturing the full spectrum of the sound and enjoying it the way it was meant to be heard. Sound isn't just about volume, it's about depth, clarity, and the immersion that good speakers provide. And the Samsung Q600C soundbar does just that. In the box, you get a user manual, a remote control, the main power adapter, 2X mounting brackets, 2X mounting screws and washers, 2X power cables, and an HDMI cable. With its introduction in September 2023, the Q600C compact and stylish build complements any home decor and fits perfectly under your TV. The whole front and top face is covered by a metallic perforated grille. The rest of the body is made out of plastic as per usual. At the top of the bar are some built-in buttons placed right in the middle, whilst the Samsung logo is placed on the far left. At the back of the unit, we find two big inserts that houses all the available connection ports, and as usual, the power port has been separated from the other port, which can be slightly frustrating if you want to group all cables together and keep them hidden from plain sight. The main inserts include HDMI input, an HDMI output, and a digital optical audio input. The second inserts include a single USB port and a circular power connector. Samsung is not famous for adding color variety to their units, and the Q600C is no different. As such, this one comes in a single color, black. The Q600C bar measures 40.6 by 2.2 by 4.1 inches and weighs 3.8 kg, whilst the subwoofer measures 7.2 by 13.5 by 11.6 inches and weighs 5.5 kg. The subwoofer is the usual wireless type and has a front-firing design which makes things easier with placement. One of Q600C's major limitations is the complete absence of online functionality. There's no Wi-Fi available, and this means that this unit is stripped of all Wi-Fi features and streaming services. You will still get Bluetooth, so you can still stream audio from a Bluetooth-enabled device, but this unit can be used in a strictly offline manner. There are various sound modes to choose from on the Q600C. The standard mode, which outputs the original audio mix as it is, and surround sounds that provide a more wide sound field than the standard mode. You also get the Game Pro mode, which provides stereoscopic sound to immerse you in the action whilst gaming. There is also adaptive sound, which analyzes the content audio and provides the optimal sound field accordingly. There is a voice enhanced mode that boosts dialogue, and a night mode that lowers volume and certain key frequencies but still keeps the dialogue clear and distinct. Lastly, you will find the Dolby Virtual mode, which is basically the soundbar's audio virtualizer and DRC, which then reduces loud sounds with Dolby tracks. Overall, the Samsung Q600C is praised for its build quality, sound performance, and the compact size suitable for smaller spaces. If you have made it this far to the end of the video, I've got something for you. Head over right now to esupply.co.uk for a massive 50% discount on the Samsung Q600C soundbar while stock lasts. See you on the next video.